movie.
Don't hit the dog.
Okay, ride your bike. Don't wreck it to me. Hey!
Run over Auntie.
We're gonna have to put that on funniest videos. I am. I'm doing it right now. I'm making a movie.
Are you stuck? Right around.
What do you?
Push.
Go.
Having to pick up the freaking seat. Keeps getting stuck.
Right there.
Just go.
What about foot?
Yeah, your arm and guy's leg. I'm gonna throw it away because I don't know where the rest is.
A thing.
Show Auntie how you ride your bike. And you keep getting stuck.
I'm stuck.
Go.
It's too much work.
Baby's wore out going around the
Cemetery.
graveyard.
Oh, good job. There you go. Oh, that's real nice. Oh.
We're gonna have to teach her to ride it without training.
Don't go on the road. Damien, watch where you're going. Good job. Whoa! What's your bike say?
Watch me.
You better come over here. That's somebody's house. Come here. What's your bike say?
Watch me. Watch me.
What are you doing?
Okay, you better come over here. Somebody lives there. Come on. What's your bike say?
This says I'm stupid wiener.
You're a stupid wiener.
Says that.